Let's go ahead and start the breakdown here. Let's look at YM. You can see YM right now. We're retesting the top of the bearish channel right here. Similar to how we were last time. I think it was right here, then it broke out. I had like adjusted it because we're still kind of in the channel. You can see also our fib was pretty much filled yesterday. Like we caught yesterday our SL got hit, but that was literally like the last very push to the bottom between the 618 and 786, and then it turned around. You can see it's pretty much going towards, it looks like it's going towards, possibly 100% retracement, or maybe to make a new higher high. And if we look at the smaller time frame, on the smaller time frame, you can see we have kind of like a bullish structure going on right there in the 5-minute. I already marked out my pre-session highs. You can see we have Asia right here, which we can enter on Asia to then target London and then pre-market highs. Also, this Asia is actually lining up with yesterday's New York high. So 2 confluences there, 2 confluences for our targets. And then for the sells, it's not really anywhere like a super clean entry for the sells, because you do have London here, but then you have Asia's more like down here along with like New York. So I guess you can kind of do the same where you enter in London and target towards here. But I mean, there's a lot of bullish momentum going up here. We're probably gonna get put into these buys. So that's what I'm most likely gonna take. I will be aiming between 50 to 75 points. Lately though, just the market really hasn't been giving that actually. It's been giving more like 60, 65 points around there. So it's probably what I'll be aiming towards to recover yesterday plus a little bit more. And then the sells, I'm honestly not too convinced about the sells, just because it's not really that clean. Like all these previous highs are like, I mean these previous lows are just all jumbled up, I guess the cleanest one would be here. Even then, I doubt we would even get put into it, so I'm probably not gonna really take any sells there, because our buys are looking a little bit cleaner. Again, you have this zone here lines up with previous New York day high, Asia high, and then our targets line up with London high and pre-market high, going along with this bullish trend line. So the confluences are a little bit cleaner there. We got about 1.5 minutes. I just really hope the move doesn't start happening earlier, man, because it's pretty close to it. If it does, I'm going to have to wait for a pullback. I said it before, of at least 25 points. Number one, that gives my copier room to, to not have issues, because if it's too close, my copier is going to have issues and I can't trade that. Also, just overall, just giving, price room to breathe, right? Room to fluctuate. In case it does just like wake up and down a little bit, I'd rather not be put into that. Okay, we got about 1 minute left. ahead and send the order. Have about 10 seconds now. Okay, yeah, I'm in the trade already. Okay, I'm gonna go break even. TP hit, nice. About 75 points. Exactly what I was looking for. Easy trade today. Nice, easy trade today. Clean confluences. It all just lined up perfectly. Might even keep going, but I'm already done. I'm out for the day. I'm good. Recovered yesterday's loss plus a little bit more. You see, that's why I preach why it's so important to follow your rules. Even on red days, don't let that affect you. Because look, yesterday we had a loss. Okay, imagine I went on tilt and I took 2-3 more trades. Then today, clean push, and even if you did catch like all of this, you're still down because I took 3 losses. I would have taken 3 losses yesterday if I tilted. You get what I mean? So it doesn't add up. Where if you just stick to your rules, the market's bad, you're conservative, you're more on the defense side, take your loss, okay, whatever, I'll come back. You survive until the next day. A day like today comes, and you can make all that back plus more. So perfect, easy day today. Hopefully, market keeps it up for the next coming days. And yeah, well, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll post the trade recap now in a bit. Thank you guys for joining. We'll be back Friday. I'm not gonna trade Thursday. We'll be back Friday. And again, I'm not trading Thursdays lately because price action is just not consistent. And especially, so first of all, Thursday to me it's low probability, right? This is all about probability. Thursday has shown that it's not consistent with good price action most of the time. So probability is already low. Why would I trade a low probability day already when the market has been hard? You get what I mean? That doesn't make sense. So obviously, that's even more reason to skip tomorrow. You got to think the other way, backwards. I know some people will probably think, oh, but what if Thursday's good? Market's been bad. We've had some losses. Maybe Thursday's good. We can get an extra loss in it. Like, yes, that can happen, but you can't have that mindset. You got to have literally the opposite. That's thinking offensive. That's thinking an attack. You want to attack the market, get as much wins as you can. No, you got to think the other way. You got to think defensive. Think, okay, yes, that could happen, but what happens most of the time? Thursdays are bad. Okay, so you already know it's a big risk. Markets have been rough, so now that's 2 big risks adding on top of each other. Are you gonna risk it? No, that's obviously like a bad move. Same thing. Let's say if we have, straight red days from Monday through Wednesday. Am I going to trade Thursday to potentially get a win? And I know most people would think, oh, but what if Thursday's good? I can maybe recover some of that loss. Like, yeah, that can happen, but you got to think backwards, the opposite. If the week is already bad, are you going to trade on a day that is even more known to be bad? No. You see, that's double risk. So yeah, just wanted to clear that up. See, market pushed nice today, guys. It's not the end of the world after 2 weeks or something. This market's not going anywhere. Just give it time to recover, and that's it. But yeah, guys, thank you again for joining. Again, we'll be back Friday. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Good job, guys. W day. I'll post a trade recap in a bit. Later, everyone.